Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope everybody is safe and fine at home. Very good. Now we are going to study EVS. Okay. Before that, before going into the subject, I would like to tell a few words about Corona. Okay. Children, you all know that the whole world is suffering from a new virus called COVID-19. Yes, this is caused by a virus called corona. Okay, nowadays it is spreading in our country more and more. So we should be very careful. Okay, we should follow the common guidelines, that is, we should wash our hands properly with soap and water, stay at home. Whenever you come out of your home, cover your mouth and nose with mask. Use sanitizer and keep distance from others. Okay, everyone should stay at home and be safe. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn EVS subject, right? Children, do you know what is EVS? EVS is environmental studies. Yes, in environmental studies, we learn about nature, neighborhood, animals, food habits, and many more things. Okay, our first lesson is introducing myself. See, children, see the box. Whom do you see when you look into the mirror? M dash S dash L F. Do you know the answer? Which letters will come in the dasher? M Y S E L F. What is that word? Myself. Now take the help of your parents or teacher and fill up the card about yourself. Name dash. You should write your name. Age. I am a dash boy or girl. I study in dash. Name of your school. I study in class dash. I live at dash home address. Children, how will you introduce yourself? Let's see. Okay. For introducing yourself, first we should tell our name. No? Yes. So you should start like this. My name is, I am writing here, Shalini. My name is Shalini. Then age, 6 years old. I am a girl. Shalini is a girl. So I am writing here girl. Then I study in dash. Name of your school. Our school name is St. Clair High School. Right? Then you should tell I study in class 1. Then I live in dash. Jyotinagar NDPC. Very good. Like this, you have to introduce yourself. Okay. Children, our next topic is identity card. See the textbook. The above card can be used as your identity card. An identity card or an ID card tells people something about you. Every child wears an identity card to school. The day you were born is known as your birthday. Write your birthday here. Okay. Look around yourself. Do we all look the same? Yes or no? Next page. We are all different from each other. Each one of us is special. We all like to do different things. Some of the things that we like to do are playing, coloring, cycling, swimming, singing, dancing. Something that we like the most of all is our favorite thing. Write the name of your favorite cartoon character. Children, take your last year's identity card and see. That card gives some important information about you. Yes, like your name, school name, your father's name, your phone number, your address, and your photograph. Right? Every child wears an identity card to school. Yes? So, what is an identity card? Good. A card that has the name, photograph, and address of a person to show who that person is. What is an identity card? A card that has the name, photograph, and address of a person to show who that person is. Right, children? Identity cards are very important. Okay, because it gives us very important information about us. Good. Children, tell me, when is your birthday? Yes, you all know the answer. Because every year you celebrate your birthday, right? Okay. What is meant by birthday? Yes, the day you were born is known as your birthday. Okay. Children, do we all look the same? No. Some are tall, some are short, some are thin, some are fat. Yes. So we are all different from each other. Good. Like that, we all like to do different things, like some people like to play, some people like to color, some people like to do cycling, some people like to swim, some people like to sing, dance, like that. Okay. Something that we like the most of all is our favorite thing. Something that we like the most of all is our favorite thing. Okay. Now tell me, children, which is your favorite cartoon character? Yes, Dora. Now our next topic is our values. Text reading. We should learn good manners. They also become our identity. We should be kind and polite while talking to people. We should not fight with our friends while playing. We should respect our parents and teachers. Children, we should learn good manners. Yes, if we do any mistake, you should tell sorry. If you receive any help or gift from others, what will you say? Yes, thank you. Right? Children, we should be kind and polite while talking to people. We should not fight with our friends while playing, and we should respect our parents and teachers. Okay, children, with this, we finish our first chapter. I will send notes. Write in a single rule book. You buy a new book. Okay. Stay safe. Be happy. Have a good